Hey guys, so I got this 2006 Mercury 60 horsepower fuel injected outboard. The exact model on it is 60 ELPT but I believe 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s are all the same. The problem I'm having with this is I was getting a lot of fuel in the oil, and the last time I was out in the river yesterday, and the engine just died, and I can smell a lot of gas. I squeezed the bubble, the primer, and every time I squeezed it, it was running rough, and every time I squeezed it, it would actually start to bog down a little bit more. So I got back today. I took the plugs and wires off. I inspected the wires. There was a little bit of spark jump on one of them, so I taped them up for now. But I also did a compression check, and I had 150 psi in all the cylinders. But when I pulled the dipstick tube out, gas in the oil was almost right to the top of this, and it smelled like gas. So I drained it out. I opened this up, and probably about, I don't know, I would say like 1.5 gallons to 2 gallons of oil mixed with gas came out. So what it was, you have this manual fuel pump in the back. There's this is the electric fuel pump over here, and then on the back here you have a manual fuel pump that runs off the cam. So this part right here, it's got a little button, and that goes in and out like that, and it makes that diaphragm go in and out, which pumps the fuel over to the electric fuel pump. And inside there is the crankcase. So what happened is this diaphragm went bad. It ripped, and gas was going. It was getting pulled right into the crankcase and filled up the entire crankcase with fuel. So I ordered another one of these, and you can see right there is a little hole. And there was another bigger one somewhere around here. There was like a slit. But yeah, this diaphragm is bad. So I got a whole pump assembly. It comes with this, and it comes complete basically with the front part, the cap. It comes all together. So all you really have to do is just you just have to put the two 10mm bolts in with this bracket, and hook your hoses up, and it should be good. But anybody else has that issue with a fuel injected Mercury, like around 2006, those years, that's probably what it is that manual fuel pump. Well, hope it helps. Please subscribe.